In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute and super trendy open Huggie hoop earrings. Materials you will need today are scrap metal in gold or silver, 20 gauge round wire about 2 inches long, a round bezel mandrel, your soldering setup, easy solder, saving solution and flux, a ball burr, a cup burr, parallel pliers, a sanding stick, flush cutters, a rubber mallet, rubber wheels, a magnetic tumbler, and polishing wheels. I will start with less metal than what is needed because it's easier to add more metal than it is to take it away. Once it melts, I will keep my flame on the metal until it creates a tight ball. If one looks smaller, I will melt it again and add more metal. Then I will take my ball burr and burr a divot in the center of the back of the spheres. I will cup burr both ends of the wire. I will place the wire in the divot and heat both the sphere and the wire until the solder flows. I will tap the wire with a rubber mallet. You can clean up your earrings with a rubber wheel. They're super easy to make, they're economical, and they're very on trend.